everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the December Glossybox. I'm filming this right at the very end of December. It might even be January before I get to upload it. But you know, I still like to see what other people get, so I figured you want to see what I got. So this is a monthly subscription box. I believe it is $20 a month, between $20 and $25 American, which isn't bad. Oh. So let's see what we have inside. I've already seen the boxes bird. So here's the box. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. I didn't know it was gonna be so beautiful. What does it say? Best time of the year. Pinks and golds and sparkly. It's my kind of box. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's very beautifully wrapped. And then it comes with a pamphlet, and yeah, so the theme is best time of the year. And this will tell us what we received. Oh, it's so lovely, their packaging. I don't always love the products I get. Actually, I usually like the products I get. I already see a repeat. So, let's see what's inside here by grabbing item number 1. So, I have received this product before. I don't know if it was in this box or a different one. So this is from Mind Tan Body Skin. It's an exfoliating scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. It is a coffee scrub. Next up, was this a sheet mask? Ooh, it's an eye mask. I love a good eye mask. So this is from what brand? K-Glow, I think. Probably. A smoothing coconut biocellulose eye mask. An intensive all-around eye treatment to smooth, nourish, and plump the skin. And it's shaped like an actual mask instead of just patches, which is nice. So that's item number 2. Yeah, so we're supposed to get about 5 products in this box. So I've got this before too, but I really liked this product. It's from Christophe Robin. It is a cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt for your scalp. And this is for sensitive or oily scalps. I think my husband really liked this one as well. So that is what the product looks like. So it's basically like a jelly feeling gritty. Jelly gritty? Yeah, sure. Yeah, so you just massage this into your scalp and it helps to slough away all the dead skin cells. That's a product I really enjoy. It would be nice to get something that, you know, is revolutionary though. Let's see. These 2 boxes are identical. What are they? So they're from some company. What are they? Where are they from? Embryolisse Laboratories. Yep. So it's lait crème concentré. So it's a milk cream concentrate, I guess. A multifunctioning nourishing moisturizer, and we got 2. Why did we get 2? Are they the exact same? Yes. So a favorite among dermatologists for decades and lauded by beauty professionals and makeup artists of the stars, this all-around product is their secret to beautiful skin with moisturizing and nutritive I'm bad at reading. Properties. Thanks to a blend of ingredients rich in essential fatty acids and vitamins, it delivers nutrients to the skin, retains moisture, and helps protect it from aggression. Oh, wow, you gotta protect your skin from aggression. The skin is supple and elastic once more, plumped up. It is silky smooth, soft, and glowing. This creamy milk leaves a comfortable satin veil even on dry skin. There's a lot of promises in there. I think I get 2. Holy jeez. How much do you put on? It doesn't say. Probably not a lot though. So how many mils is this? 5 mils or 0.17 fluid ounces. It's teeny tiny. Thank goodness we got 2. And also there's this giant pamphlet. I usually get a pamphlet with moisturizer. So it tells you all about the product more than it already did. Where is this from? Well, this was printed in 2016, so hopefully the product's not that old. Oh, it's from Paris. That's why it's so tiny and so expensive, probably. Well, that was a lot of you just watching me play around with packaging. Sorry. Alright, so this is our last item. So this is not a makeup box. This is all skincare this month. What is this? From Youth to the People. It is an Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. So we're going to be very moist this year. So this is a hydration cream for wear. In the face of stress, adapt. Use day and night. Smooth a dime-sized amount of cream into skin until it is fully absorbed. So I'm going to guess it's for our face. Okay. It's like everything's so mini size. So I'm going to guess we've got a lot of deluxe samples in this box. Like, look at that, so tiny. It's full at least. Oh my. You can't really smell it. Scent. Yeah, it's not really full. It's just pushed up to the sides. Like that's some hollow packaging there. Alright, so I'm going to already say this box isn't my favorite, but hopefully it's at least worth my money. We'll see. It's another month of Megan didn't get something. So that's probably why we have 2 of these. This is what I was supposed to receive. The first item was a nude sticks, which I've also received from them in the past. So we would have got a full-size gel color lip and cheek balm in the shade Posh, which is valued at $26. So I'm going to write them a lovely email. Say, hello, friends. All right, the next thing is a Deluxe Mini, and it is the coffee scrub. So this is $15. The Youth to the People is a Deluxe Mini as well. The Deluxe Mini is $18, and then the full size would be $58. The Christoph Robin, also a Deluxe Mini. Mini size is $8.48, and full size is $53. Oh, this is the only full size item in my box, which is an eye mask. Oh, $6. And the Le Crème Concentrée is a Deluxe Mini at $4. I got 2 of them, so that's $8, but I'm missing a $26 item. So yeah, that's great, guys. So let's total up and see if it actually, equals $25 American. All right, so my box is valued at $58.48, I think. $58.48. I just used the Google and now I forget. It's not great. It would have been $26 more with my, I would have used that too. So hopefully that they'll send me a new one. I feel like last month or the month before I didn't get an eyeliner in one of my boxes, and the company, I can't remember if it was the Glossybox Charm, they shipped it pretty much right away. So I'll just get in touch with them. What a great way to end the year though, guys. Come on. They do have beautiful packaging though. But, I'd like some makeup, please. Skincare is good, but not just skincare. I need something to excite me. Yeah. But I would like to thank you all for watching. Yeah, would I recommend this box? No. In general, yes. With the exchange rate, it's, I have to like it a lot because it's like $25 American right now would probably be like $36 Canadian with shipping. So, I'll keep getting it. I do like it, but we'll see what the new year brings. Give it a couple more months, see if I still like it. Yeah. So thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind liking, you can hit like down below. If you wouldn't mind subscribing as well, you can click here. And there's more videos for you here and here where I might enjoy it a little bit more. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.